Welcome back, guys. As you see, I've printed our fruit snack wrapper, and now I'm going to cut it to size. Okay, so now we have our wrapper and we're going to start assembling. We're going to first start with the tape. So at the top, I'm going to use this double-sided tape that has a backing on it. I'm just going to put one little strip of that across the top. And I always use that because when I have to insert my treats in the bag, I don't want anything to adhere as I'm putting it down in the bag. So I'm going to take my tape roller, it's double-sided tape, I'm going to roll it across the bottom and across one side. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is fold one side in, and that's going to be the left side. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We have one side done. Then I'm going to fold the other side. And line up the bottom so that you'll have an even, even bottom. Okay, so here is the partially assembled bag. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to insert our 0.9 ounce Welch's fruit snacks. And we're going to pull that double-sided tape off. And we're going to press the front and the back together. Okay. And we're going to crimp the top and the bottom. Okay, so this is our Welch's fruit snack wrapper. That's the back and that's the front. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next video.